Welcome to my channel. I am the Natural One. You're watching One Stop Watch.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is another One Stop Watch video. I want to give a shout out to my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and let's see if we can get to 50 and then 60 and 70 and so on and so forth, you guys. But thank you so much for your support. So you guys, let's get into it. This zucchini is not doing good. I ended up planting some more along with the watermelon because this pot is not looking good ever since I went to war with these pests. I won, but look at the casualty. Look at my plants. Like, I haven't had no success with zucchini, even though I had a bunch of female flowers. I don't know. Look at this, a mess. So determined not to give up, I planted more and given extra TLC. So now let's get into the radishes, which, like I said, once again, I'm gonna let them go to seed. Some of them are starting to dry out, which is good. The winter squash really needs winter because it's not looking good. So let's get into the cauliflower, you guys. It looks so good. It bounced back, okay? I am gonna catch what's eating it though. So let's move on to the tower, which consists of eggplants and different types of pepper. And I'm so looking forward to my habanero pepper, you guys. My peppers are looking good. I love the taste of habanero peppers, but it's not spicy to me anymore. I need to plant something hotter. Do y'all have a suggestion? My apologies for the shadow you see. That's the umbrella that I have when I was filming because it's hot out here and I'm not about to have that sun beaming down on me, okay? I know y'all definitely understand, but let's move on to the herb garden, which consists of thyme, kale, spinach, and lettuce. Now we have the ginger that looks so good, you guys. If you know when to harvest ginger, please leave a comment down below. Up next is the tomatoes and onions, and you guys, the tomato plant is doing good. It's just taking so long for it to get ripe. I finally got better access to the crate and now you can see the onion. Now you guys, I didn't get too much over there with the tomatoes and basil because it's a spider that is camouflaged like a dead leaf. And if you've been keeping up with my videos and you know me, you know that I do not like bugs. And who knew a spider can camouflage itself like a dead leaf? So you guys, let's talk about the mystery seed week 14. Now it's looking good overall. However, when I put the tiki torch in the dirt and put the mystery seed around it, I think I might have messed up some roots. So it's bouncing back. The female flower that I showed last week is no longer there. But if you have an idea what this is, please leave a comment down below. Now I believe I know what it is now, but I want you guys to guess. So let's move on to the mint. Now you guys, I bought this mint from Aldi's and look how good it's doing. And don't forget, I already took off cuttings. You guys, I have 2 ears now. Look how, like, my corn and cucumbers are doing so good. And then I have 2 cucumbers that I didn't even realize that was growing at the bottom of the milk crate. You guys, do you see the cucumber that's hanging off and then there's one inside the crate? I didn't even know they was there. I don't recall saying it last week. But anyway, you guys, I have been taking the tassels from the male plant and taking it off and putting it on the female silk part of the ears. Now, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be doing that, but I don't know. I hope I pollinated the corn. So you guys, thank you so much for watching One Stop Shop. And if you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss out on my updates. Thank you guys for watching, and for more videos like this, click here.